Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a credit or debit card to your Google Ads account. Whether you're just setting up your account or need to update your payment method, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to go to ads.google.com and log in using your credentials. Now, once you're in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. But if this is your first time creating your first Google Ads campaign, it's okay because as you may notice, you just have to provide all the information needed, add your business information, business like accounts, create your first campaign here, and then the last part is adding a payment method. So if you haven't already, this is the perfect opportunity for you to add a credit or debit card. All right. Now, at this point, it's important for you to provide all the information needed. You could put in your website, your business phone number, or your app download page. It's up to you. All right. Now here, you need to choose a goal for purchases, submit, lead form, phone call leads, page views, brand awareness. If you wanted to select all of them, it's up to you. Now, the last part of creating your first campaign here in Google Ads gives you the ability to add your payment method. And of course, you need to provide the payment method here. Click on it so you will be forwarded to a new window. But obviously, in my case, I have already provided a linked credit or debit card. But if in your case, you haven't already, just click this section right here that says payment method. And if you want to add a manual payment account, it's also okay. You can put in the amount here. All right. For example, that, and click the continue button. All right. So basically, that's it for today's video on how to add a credit or debit card in Google Ads. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.